Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let me show you how I make this quick and easy mustard fried chicken wings. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some fresh chicken wings already washed. I'll be using some cornstarch, all-purpose flour, baking powder, garlic and onion powder, some rotisserie chicken seasoning, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some mustard. So basically you want to go ahead and just combine all of your seasoning, mix well, and then we will add about a tablespoon of that to our flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. Mix that well and set aside. Next, you want to add your mustard to your chicken wings along with the rest of the seasoning. Mix that well and set aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Today we'll be rushing this. We will not allow it to marinate for a long time, but 30 minutes should be perfect. Next, you want to coat your chicken wings into the flour mixture. Coat it really well, shake off the excess, and place it on a baking sheet. Then you want to carry on with this process until all your chicken pieces is coated. Once all is coated, what I did was went in again and coated for a second time, just to make sure I get that nice crispy exterior. Now to my preheated oil, I will drop my chicken wings in there, and you want to fry until they're nice and golden brown. Let's say for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they're golden brown, remove and set aside. You want to carry on with the same process until all your chicken is nice and crispy like this. And then I'll show you the finished product. Look how gorgeous those chicken wings look, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. And we didn't have to do too much. And here you have it, my version of the most delicious mustard fried chicken wings. Let me tell you, I was so shocked at the outcome of these because I rushed it, but it was seasoned to perfection. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.